Okay, hello everyone. Cindy Jordan here, and you're in video 6 of the frequently asked questions about Empower Network. And this question here has to do with the 8 core commitments. When you first start with Empower Network and you come in and on the viral blogging level, you're going to get a fast start track. And in that fast start track, there are 8 core commitments. And some of them are about blogging daily. Some of them are about listening to audios, getting involved, learning how to, some of it is some coaching, a coaching commitment, and first you being coached and then how to coach others. And this is for whatever your business is. I mean, that's what I love about this. All this information is transferable to whatever your industry, whatever your business is. If you have your own business, if you have your own home business or a brick and mortar business. Matter of fact, this information is transferable to your relationships. So if you're a PTA, the head of the PTA in your community, or if you're a community leader, or just a leader in your own home. I mean, we are leaders in our own home. Whoever we're in connection with, we are a leader. All of this and the 8 core commitment on the viral blogging system, all of this enhances who we are. It's personal development supreme. It's awesome. Okay, so there's 8 core commitments, and the main commitment I want to talk about is the one that really, well, they're all important, but one that's really that I knew I could do, and that is attend the events. Some of the commitments, to do something daily, I struggle with that. I continue to aspire and work towards doing the daily the daily commitments, but there are quarterly events that Empower Network has, and all over the United States. And one thing I knew I could do, and one thing that I always heard all the leaders stress, is get to the events, and because that for some reason is like a tipping opportunity to come from almost successful or almost breaking that next goal and reaching that next goal and not quite, and then coming over and reaching that goal, okay, after the event. And the probably different reasons for that, but one is you are in the energy of like-minded people. And again, what is that like-mindedness? This is what I want to stress. This is what I love about the events, and I've only been to one so far, but this is what I loved about it. At least at this recording, I'm already scheduled. As soon as I was at that one, I went ahead and bought my ticket for the next one. And I'll do the same one thing at this upcoming event. The reason being is what people are getting is that it's about being for one another, and it's about helping other people. I had a vision once, and this is what gets me excited with this commitment, is I had a vision once through a process I was going through. And it really was about people on the upper level, and it was sort of a spiritual vision. So it was people who were enlightened beings, helping other people get up, helping other people who were striving, who've been striving. So they're sort of like as the cream rises to the top, and then they were helping the cream of the crop come on up. And then below that group of people were other people striving to come up. But below that were people keeping them down, and energies keeping them down. It wouldn't have to be people. It could be thoughts. It could be energies striving to keep them down. And some of them were fighting among themselves. And sometimes that's how competition is. It's like, let's throw somebody aside so we can get up. Let's step on people and try to get up like crabs in a pot, trying to pull each other down. But Empower Network is more like people who get it. And they use the niche of internet marketing to help people rise to the top, to their best self, and to become enlightened. So they are helping people, and yes, they are successful because they are helping people. And so they are helping me, I am helping you, you will help someone else, and that's how it goes, okay? So anyhow, and so the core commitment, that 8th core commitment, which is to get to the live event, that's the one that I currently am stressing, because you connect with people who care. You connect with people who have a vision a big vision for the world. And, you know, I'm sort of a Matrix person myself, the Matrix movie series, and so is the hippie Jedi, Justin Verenzia. And he talks about getting unhooked from the Matrix, and it's like getting unplugged from the mass media and from the mass influences that tell you you can only do this, that you're not enough, that it's not for you. Any of the negative information, or that you have to have this to be successful, or you have to have this to be vibrant and whatnot, rather than you can be yourself. Empower Network is about being yourself and discovering your success zone while being yourself. Awesome, awesome. So there are 8 core commitments. Some of them are daily commitments. Some of them are one-time commitments. And then there's the get to the event commitment. So check out all the core commitments whenever you get on your $25 viral blogging system. Okay? It's called the Fast Track, or Fast Start, called the Fast Start. Okay. Peace to you. Come on to video number 7.